Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily use frame presets on your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So first, what you guys need to do is go over to the camera hub. The app is essentially for ELGATO cameras, for example the MK.2. So now go over to the camera settings. Go to device and make sure that the input is set to ELGATO Facecam MK.2 and go over the frame now. Here, right at the bottom of those settings, here we have presets. Now we got 4 presets. The first one is basically the default one. Here we have another one. Here we have the C preset and here we have the D. So this is how you can easily use presets. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.